For today's project, I'm finally gonna build my own greenhouse. I love having a garden and growing my own food, and this year I plan on growing a lot more of my own food. And to do that, I really need a proper greenhouse. I've wanted this for many, many years, and I'm gonna build it in my backyard right next to the hoop coop. That's a quail hoop coop that I showed building last year, and it really works well. So next to our chicken coop, our hoop coop, our lamb cage, we're gonna have a greenhouse, and then my garden's behind here. Now to build this, I leveled off a spot. I laid down weed mat and some bark mulch. I had some help with my daughter and my dog, and we really got the site ready so that weeds won't be growing through the floor. And to build this greenhouse, I'm not using a kit or plans. Instead, I'm gonna build a very nice greenhouse as cheaply as possible. Now, luckily for me, several years ago, my wife and I bought a property, and the previous landowner left one of those carport structures, the metal poles that you put a tarp over. So I'm using that. I moved it to this location, and we're gonna go ahead and move it on our site back here, build walls with plywood, and then use greenhouse plastic over the top. We'll build a back wall and doors, and it should be good to go. So the first step is moving the structure. We'll put it up, and then I'll put on the plywood walls. This building back here is approximately 10 feet by 18 foot, so it should be plenty of space for a greenhouse. Now we're just gonna stand it up with the poles. And now with the pole frame up, I can move the plywood in for the walls. Now I'm just gonna screw the plywood to the frame. And with the plywood now secured to the frame at the base of both side walls, we're now ready to build the back wall. To do that, I'll add a center post, and then at the base have plywood, and the rest will be built out of clear plastic siding to let plenty of light in. Well, now that we have the walls completed, it's time to put on the tarp. Well, here's what my greenhouse looks like from the outside. It was a really fun project and I am so happy with how well it turned out. I'm ready to start seeds. Let me show you what it looks like from the inside. Well, take a look at all this space. I have over 160 square feet to grow plants. I love being in a greenhouse. It's warm and humid and I find it really relaxing. Along this wall, I'm gonna build shelves for seed starting trays with lights. Over here, we'll have a potting and soil mixing station, and I am gonna completely fill this with plants. I can't wait to start my garden, and this is a big part of it. I can start them much earlier. I'm gonna add a heating system, and later when it gets warmer, we'll add a fan for ventilation. But for now, this was a great project. Now I'm shifting the focus on my channel away from mouse traps, more towards growing my own food. I have some really big ideas, and I can't wait to share them with you, and this greenhouse was a big part of that. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I have many videos coming, so stay tuned.